Adobe just got some serious competition, and it's completely free. Yep, you heard that right. One of Adobe's biggest rivals, Affinity, has just become free for everyone. Let's take a look at what's happening, what this means, and of course, test it out together. If you've ever used Photoshop, Illustrator, or InDesign, you already know how expensive Adobe's monthly subscription can get. For years, Affinity has been known as the top alternative, a professional one-time purchase suite with no subscriptions. But now, things have changed. After being acquired by Canva, Affinity made their entire software suite free for all users, at least for now. This is a big deal because Affinity has always been the closest thing to Adobe's tools in terms of quality, performance, and design experience. And now anyone can download it and use it without paying a cent. Affinity originally had three main apps: Affinity Photo for photo editing, Affinity Designer for vector and graphic design, and Affinity Publisher for layouts and print projects. But now they've combined everything into one single application. You just install Affinity, and inside it you can switch between photo, vector, and publish modes with a single click. It's super convenient. No more jumping between apps, no extra installs. Everything is right there in one place. They're all available for both Windows and Mac OS, and the iPad version is coming soon, which will make the suite even more accessible for mobile creators. Alright, I just opened Affinity, and the first thing I notice is how clean and fast the interface feels. If you've ever used Photoshop, this will feel instantly familiar. The editing tools respond instantly, and switching between different modes, like vector and photo, happens in seconds. Let's try some quick edits, adjusting colors, adding layers, maybe a quick background removal. Everything feels super responsive, and honestly, it's crazy that this is completely free right now. So, is there a catch? Well, not really, but there's one thing you should know. Since Canva now owns Affinity, this free access seems to be part of their plan to bring more people into their ecosystem. The base Affinity app is 100% free, no subscription, no hidden fees, and no watermarks. But if you want to use AI-powered tools like image generation or smart vector conversions, you'll need to connect your account to Canva Pro, which is a paid subscription. Other than that, everything else works perfectly fine. All the pro features. Adobe's biggest competitor just went free, and it's kind of insane. If you want to try it yourself, I'll leave the official download link in the description. I highly recommend giving it a shot, especially if you've always wanted pro-level tools without paying monthly. Don't forget to leave a like if this helped you, and subscribe for more updates like this. See you in the next one.